can't believe our dad is just like working for all of this. It's crazy.
Yeah.
It used to be one ordinary school, just now it's like poof, like construction and like all new stuff.
So I started kindergarten here in September of 1990. I went through K through 12, Armstrong Elementary School, Herndon Middle School, and then Herndon High School, class of '03. Construction is in my blood. My father worked for Turner Construction. I started at Turner Construction as an intern when I was 18. Here I am again, 30 years later, where I'm with, my kids and starting kindergarten, but the community and the staff here still remind me of when I first got here. I couldn't have even imagined it, when I even started in construction of, hey, how do I get to a place where I can kind of give back to the community, put my experience, expertise to the community and be able to kind of give back in a sense, but also getting to be back at like the community that I grew up in. Classrooms are?
Yeah, we're upstairs.
You're upstairs. You're on the second floor up here, huh?
Oh wait.
You're on the second floor?
Yeah, I'm on the second floor.
So right there, that's where you all are. And then,
Cool.
So if it's blue like this, what color do you think it would be in what phase?
Phase 6.
There you go. Here, FCPS takes learning very seriously, and that is inclusive of their facilities. So wanting to make sure that our facilities are up to date and meet, what our learning standards are is going to be very helpful. Learning environments are taking into account where they're going, does it make sense with the programming involved with the school. So we work closely with all the different departments and the schools itself to sort of help understand, what that school focus is and what feature can we provide for the school. To be a part of the community, that means there is a certain level of accountability from everybody, right? And so that's a buy-in. In this area in particular, Nova, we do look after one another. It's very much a prideful thing to be able to walk in and see the changes and the community's approach. And again, it's not just for our students or our staff. It's used by all different types of programs. So the bond is an opportunity to provide that sort of perspective to those community members that maybe don't have staff or students here that are working involved, is to know that it is something bigger than just yourself. And I think that if we can kind of take a step back and take a look, and you can kind of see how much it helps our communities as a whole. It's a proud father moment, really, being able to see that your kids are happy and are proud of what you're doing, but can also see you sometimes at work, whether if even just from a classroom, stepping out of a meeting. I'm not here day to day with everybody, but like if they want to think that Dad's a superstar, I'm not gonna take that away from them.
It's like we're famous and he's famous. Rock and roll.
But overall, the guys out here doing the work that are slinging the hammers, it takes a team. It really does, and I can't stress that enough. It's used by the entire community, whether you have kids here or not, right? So that's community use programs, that's rec leagues, that's all the different various groups that are going to be using our spaces, which is why it is so important to deliver such a product that is going to be worthwhile for everybody. So that's what I'm most excited about.
Get back to work, man.
Okay.
Wait, you're talking about me, right? No, not you, him. Okay, wow.